Here is a simple recipe to make a cheeseburger. Ingredients: 1 pound ground beef, salt and pepper, 4 slices of cheddar cheese, 4 hamburger buns, lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, ketchup and mustard. Instructions: 1. Preheat a grill or grill pan over medium-high heat. 2. Divide the ground beef into 4 equal portions and shape each portion into a patty about 3/4 inch thick. 3. Season both sides of the patties with salt and pepper. 4. Grill the patties for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. 5. During the last minute of cooking, add a slice of cheddar cheese to each patty to melt. 6. While the patties are cooking, toast the hamburger buns on the grill or in the oven until lightly browned. 7. Assemble the burgers by placing a patty on each bun, and then adding lettuce, tomato, onion, and pickles as desired. 8. Finally, top with ketchup and mustard, and serve hot. And that's it. Enjoy your delicious homemade cheeseburger.